Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get secret profile icons in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket. So, secret profile icons in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket are rare and exclusive, often hidden behind special achievements, events or promotions. So make sure you follow this guide to uncover the steps to unlock these elusive icons and stand out in the game. So, the first way is completing hidden achievements. Explore all achievements because some secret icons are tied to completing a specific, less obvious in-game tasks, such as winning matches with a unique deck composition, playing a set number of matches in a specific mode, or using certain Pokemon cards consistently in battle. Also, visit the achievement section to see if any hidden goals are unlocked as you progress. Now, participate in exclusive events. Secret icons are often rewards for participating in the time-sensitive in-game or real-world Pokemon events. Stay updated by checking the Events tab in the app or announcements on Pokemon TCG's official website. Now, you can also join ranked tournaments or special matches where the secret profile icons may be distributed to top performers or participants. Now, you can also earn achievement. In the gameplay milestones, you can unlock icons by reaching specific milestones such as winning a certain number of matches, collecting a specific number of cards, or building themed decks. That is, for example, all fire or water type Pokemon decks. Now, you can also gain icons for achieving high ranks in the ranked matches or tournament play. Also, you can purchase in the shop. This is optional. You can check the in-game store. You can visit the in-game shop to see if exclusive icons are available for purchase. You can use the in-game currency by spending the earned credits or gems to unlock rare and seasonal icons. Now another way is linking external accounts. Pokemon Trainer Club account will contain some special icons that may be unlocked by linking your Pokemon Trainer Club account. Now you can also keep an eye on external promotions such as codes from physical Pokemon TCG products that might unlock exclusive icons. You should also look out for special editions and codes. You can redeem promotional codes by keeping an eye for promo codes distributed during the official Pokemon events or streams. Now, you should also attend live events. You can participate in Pokemon tournaments or virtual events where exclusive icons might be given away. So, unlocking special profile icons in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket requires participation in events, completing achievements, or purchasing from the in-game shop. Stay active and explore all features of the game to build a collection of rare and unique profile icons. So that's how you get secret profile icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.